What a motley crew.
What? What?
Said, what a motley crew. Motley crew.
What? What?
Said, what a motley crew.
I think you must check for a road. What is that?
The yellow one.
Give it to me.
Get this on tape here.
I'm not going to be little. You get a water soon. Put canteens, everybody. Canteens.
You want to see if you were awake?
Yeah.
Are you cold?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's almost May 1st. Here I am wearing lawn johns and it's almost May 1st.
But it's almost like winter. Spring. Can you go swimming? I can't swim. Oh, I am. Fish eye.
Okay, hold it up so we can see it. There's Dad's fish. So right around that post there. Reach right around the post. Work it. Let her go. Work your way right over there. See? Oh. Lost him there. You want him to be netted? Go ahead, net him.
Alright. Pick him up.
Okay, Nikki.
Get out of the water. Reel in now.
Reeled in.
Keep walking.
Okay, don't pull that hook in there too tight now. Hang on, I'll be over there. There you go, there's your fish.
This thing's heavy. Yeah. Watch out, there's a hook right by you. That's he's just scaly. I like touching you guys. He feels like a snake.
There you go.
He looks like a boy.
You gonna let him go again now?
Yeah. Here.
Okay.
Walk around.
There's Nick, he's got that fish. What size fish we got there? Ooh, look at that one. That's a big one too.
Al, you want me to net him?
Reeled in, reeled in.
Get down there. Walk down that hill. You'll get wind.
Reeled in.
Reel that sucker in.
There you go. Get that net underneath him.
Get away on ya.
There you go. Okay, hang on to him for a minute. I'll come over. I'll film him a little bit closer here. Ooh, look at that. He needs two hands to hold him up there.
Nick, how long did it take you to get that in?
Ooh, boy.
Wow.
Turn him just a little bit more, then we can see about how long he is there. There you go. Ooh, look at that, huh? He's about as long as your arm.
I'm gonna keep him.
Pull him out of the net. Grab that sucker out of the net. Pick him up, put him in here. Grab him right around the net. He don't bite, he don't do, all he does is jiggle. Pick him up, I know. Grab him right by the tail. Grab him by the tail. There you go.
Yes! Yes!
Got him. No, you gonna hang on to this now?
You hang on a little bit. That's your catch. Yes. Yes.
Our fishing for today we have received. After you, my dear. Go ahead, Larry.